I have ridden all the way from Cleveland, Ohio on my 1250 RT using Dunlop Roadsmart IV tires. They are a fabulous tire. I love the way they feel on the road. They handle beautifully, and they seem to wear as well or better than just about any other tire that I have had in the past.
I ride, well, several different BMWs, but the bike in particular is a K1200 RS. It's pretty high horsepower. It's a heavier bike. I do a lot of touring on it and sport bike riding. And I had a chance in the last year to try some Dunlop Roadsmart IVs. And I'd heard good things from friends about them, but they have been the best tires I've ever had on that motorcycle. And what I like about them is that they are very stable going down the road. You have this very secure, deliberate feeling about the tires, and yet they're not heavy. When you roll in, the roll in and the turn in on that bike anyway is very neutral. I can dial it over as far as I please, and I always feel like I got plenty of traction. The bike's really planted on the road very solidly, and they seem very comfortable. And I've heard people say some tires are more comfortable than others, and yet I noticed it on these for the first time probably ever in my riding experience.
I ride a BMW R1200 RT. It's a 2011. And I gotta tell you, we came in through rain from Philadelphia into Redmond, Oregon. We came through rain, we came through mountain passes, lots of twisties, and those tires stuck the ground. So I have to say I'm pretty happy so far with everything I've done with Dunlop.